Good evening, students. Today we are going to see some interesting facts about the microorganisms. Generally, we classify the microorganisms in the four. Okay, so this is the major classification. What are these? First one is bacteria. Second one is virus. Third one protozoa, and fourth one fungi. Okay, so in this video we see bacteria and virus. What are the differences? And what its benefits and disadvantages in our day-to-day life we will see, and also we see some important features about those microorganisms like bacteria and virus. Okay, so this video is very much helpful for both UPSC and TNPC. Okay, so first we see bacteria. Okay, bacteria are very small prokaryotic microorganisms. So bacteria are prokaryotic organism. What is prokaryotic? Prokaryotic means it is a cell type that does not have a nucleus. Okay, so it does not have a nucleus. So another type of cell is eukaryotic. It does have true nucleus. So in this classification, bacteria in the category of prokaryotic. So bacteria does not have nucleus, and also it does not have nucleus membrane. Okay, so membrane means it's a protection wall for the nucleus. And also, and the another point, the bacteria can exist either as independent organisms or as parasites. So we see in our day-to-day life, bacteria as a microorganism can have a host. Okay, so can have a host. So it is live in the another microorganism or plants, animals, or anything, or it can also live in independently. So that is the point. And also in the another point, they invade tissues. Okay, so tissues mean in our bodies or any other microorganism, it can penetrate and live in that. So that is the thing, and they produce pus or harmful waste. Okay, we see that in our day-to-day life, on the vegetables or on the dead material, the white color patches on the micro patches on the dead material. So this kind of patches are, it is created by the bacteria only. So that is the thing. So they produce pus or harmful waste. So these are all the sum of bacterial diseases. For example, cholera, pneumonia, tetanus, tuberculosis, typhoid. So usually the UPSC and the TNPC Group 1 and Group 2 used to ask which among the following are the diseases caused by the bacteria, caused by the virus, caused by the fungi. So in that perspective, we should know that what all the diseases are caused by the bacteria. First of all, cholera and pneumonia, tetanus and tuberculosis and typhoid. We should memorize these kind of facts for the examination. So and another thing is virus. Okay, so in a day-to-day life we encounter some COVID or HIV. So these kind of viruses in our books and hospitals. So we must know these kind of facts. Virus. So virus is an acellular agent that replicates only inside the cells of an other living organism. Actually, virus does not have a cells. So how it exists? It exists only or lived only in the other living organisms. So until and otherwise it enter into the other organisms, that time only it exists or lived. So in the other time or in the outside the living organism, it does not live. So likewise we have to understand. So virus can infect all types of life forms like plant, animals, and microorganisms. So we should actually, this is the UPSC fact, UPSC questions. One time they asked which of the following are affected or infected by the virus. So we should know that virus infects plants, animals, and also other microorganisms. For example, virus infects other bacteria, virus infects fungi, virus infects protozoa. So we should know that this fact. So in the examination, we generally use how bacteria infects how virus infects bacteria. So this kind of facts is confusing, but generally we speaking, viruses infect the other microorganisms. For example, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. And also they invade living normal cells and use their cell machinery to multiply. Actually, already I said the virus does not multiply in the outside the living organism. But when it enter into the living organism, that time only it gets birth and multiply. Okay, and another fact, they can kill, damage or change the cells and make sick. Okay, first of all, if COVID, we know that if the COVID enter into our body, it damages our body parts. Okay, then it will multiply. So we should likewise we have to understand. So these are all the diseases caused by the viruses. First one common cold, second one influenza, third hepatitis, fourth polio, fifth smallpox, sixth chickenpox, and the seventh measles. So generally, usual or common cold is caused by the virus only, not bacteria. Okay. So most of the common cold are caused by the virus only. Then influenza, hepatitis, polio. Polio, we know that smallpox and chikungunya and chickenpox and measles. Measles is it's like in our body it causes the red color rashes. So these are all the diseases are caused by the viruses. So we should know that what are the major features of bacteria and viruses, what are the diseases are caused by both bacteria and viruses. So we should clarify in this perspective. We can expect more from more question from this bacteria and virus portions. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you.